Are you wondering if these big mushrooms are edible? Yes. Oh yeah, buddy. Hiking in eastern South Dakota, and we found some Polyporus Squamosus. Now, even though this mushroom can get huge, I had a very difficult time identifying it because it wasn't in either of my mushroom books. A few key features for this mushroom are the tan or a light yellow cap with dark brown scales. On the underside are some enormous pores, along with usually a very dark or black short stem coming out of a hardwood. There are a few similar mushrooms like the Polyporus decorans, which doesn't get as large as the squamosus, and the hedgehog mushroom, which actually has teeth on the bottom instead of pores. I actually found one that was already knocked off, so we're gonna take this home, cook it up, and see how it tastes. No? You don't want to cook it up? Oh yeah, how big is this one? It's enormous. When you're making a spore print for Polyporus Squamosus, okay, thank you, big guy. Make sure you use black paper because the spores are white. If you're a beginning mushroom hunter, at the very least, you need to find a good book with a key that you use to identify the mushroom. You need to take a spore print, you need to measure the mushroom, and you need to figure out the type of substrate, whether it's wood or dead leaves, that your mushroom is growing on. Here it goes. Oh, ha! I was so stupid. I shouldn't have done that. Once I identify a mushroom, I'll usually take a bite raw, chew it in my mouth, and then spit it out. And when this was raw, it was like eating leather, trying to chew through it. But yeah, once you fry it up, delicious. My favorite way to cook up a wild mushroom sandwich, veggie cheese with some sweet red onions, and of course the wild mushrooms toasted. If you want to learn more about edible bugs, plants, and mushrooms that grow in the Midwest, then check out some of my other videos because there's a lot of wild food that you can put in your mouth.